I have Jane's Agenda's August themed deluxe subscription box here, and I am going to be unboxing this in today's video, and this one is a book lover's dream. So let's get to it. I just love how beautiful these boxes are. Welcome back to my channel where I share all things planner related. Ooh, unboxings. Ooh, look at how beautiful that is. Plan with me's, flip throughs, tips and tricks for you to use in your planner. And today I am unboxing the Jane's Agenda subscription box, and it's such a cute box. I love it. It's got this hello on the inside cover, and look at this beautiful card that we have right away. Love that. And I love the signature tissue that we get in here. Such a pretty box. Oh, love it. Oh my gosh. All right, so I saw so many sneak peeks, but honestly, I forgot what was in here. So I feel like I'm getting like surprised all over again. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna take everything out and I'll go through everything with you in detail. I'll be right back. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. I'm Tina, and I am also an affiliate of Jane's Agenda, and I have been getting her subscription boxes since they started. So they have evolved and they are stunning. So to start off with, here we've got this little accessory pack, which includes a box tour card. So I'm gonna open this one up first. So as I was saying, I am an affiliate of Jane's Agenda. So if you do shop anything from her shop, I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. It is down below in the description of this video. All right, so here on this side, we've got introducing the Reading Planner Insert, your perfect book log. Okay, so that's gonna be the insert that we have in here. With her subscription boxes, we get like amazing sneak peeks. Like honestly, you really know what you're gonna be getting in this subscription box, which I love that because I just feel like right now, I wanna know what I'm getting. I like the element of some surprise, but I also want to know like where my money is going for the month. And I feel kind of like that's where we're at with subscription boxes. And I don't know, let me know your thoughts if you feel the same way. Do you like the element of complete surprise, or would you rather get a lot of sneak peeks? I would really be curious to know. All right, so to start off with, here we've got quote cards. We always get quote cards in these subscription boxes, and this one is a bibliophobia. Oh my goodness, the fear of running out of reading material. That is so funny. And then we've got plot twist. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, and it's blank on this other side. And then we have these triangular clips. Now these are really interesting. I don't know. They hold really well. So from a functional standpoint, those are pretty nice. I just don't know if it's necessarily my aesthetic, but they're very different, that's for sure. And then we've got here a sticky notes. Oh, and then there's also, I'm sorry, I'm reading the card and I feel like I'm missing something here. But oh, I like these sticky notes. These are really cute. So these are, it's got here list, author, and then we've got description. So it's like a checklist. Isn't that cute? But it's set up where it's almost like a library card. That's what it looks like. If you remember what those look like. I'm totally dating myself, by the way. This is the microfiber vegan leather magnetic planner clip. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Oh my gosh, the color is so pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. I am so excited. And honestly, I forgot that this was coming in this subscription box. And this is awesome because I'll tell you, if you have not already seen the sneak peeks for September, and I realize I'm jumping ahead, totally ahead, but that is open right now. This is what is being featured. She's bringing us this color, and I love it because we are going to be going into the fall before we know it. So this is awesome. I love magnetic clips. They're like my favorite things to use because they don't leave any marks on your pages or on your dashboards, your covers, or anything like that. So those are my favorite clips. Okay, then we've got a metal page tab set of 12. Okay, so this is interesting. Let's see here. Ooh, okay, wow. Well, that's pretty. I've never seen anybody have anything like this before. So that is very interesting. Wow, they're really pretty. They are very pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try these out. Like, ooh, that's gonna be fun to try out. She actually has 3 options for her subscription boxes. You can get the lifestyle box, which is really everything that I'm sharing with you right now, or you can have an option of a monthly cover club, which I will show you that when I get to those items, or you can get everything, which is the deluxe, which is what I get. So I just want to make sure that I have everything separated out here for you. So we've got our translucent dashboard, and look at how beautiful this is. So we've been getting this year a vellum translucent dashboard for every month, and this is the one for August. That is beautiful. I love it. All right, and here are our decorative dashboard set. So we've got Pride and Prejudice here. And then on this side, oh, we've got a reading list. A room without books is like a body without a soul. Cicero. All right, so we've got 12 books here that are classics for us to read. So if you've never read these, then this is a great reading list. I love that idea. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. This is so pretty with the books on here. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Love that. Oh my goodness. It's just so like classic looking, and I'm loving the colors that we're seeing here. All right, we're gonna move on to some inserts here, and these are the reading planner insert. And the size that I get is the half letter, which is the junior size. And we've got here books to read, and you have a column here for title, author, and recommended by. And then you have like a little check box there. And then we've got the same thing on the other side, and this one is quotes and notes. So you could write in the title, author, the chapter, and the page that you found the quote on there, and write the quote or a note. And then this has got like recommended additional reading, title, and author that would like, I guess, like coordinate with that book. Thoughts, ideas, and lingering questions. All right, so let's see what else we have. Is that, yeah, that's everything in here. So that is really, really nice. Got quite a nice quantity here. For those of you that like to take notes while you're reading, that's a really, really nice insert. The next item we have here is another insert, and this is a notes insert. I am really excited about this. Look at how beautiful that is, lined. And the same thing on the other side. So double-sided there, really nice quantity of some pretty note pages. I love it. All right, so the next item that we have here is a library tote. I love little tote bags. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. I'm loving the canvas color. Just one more chapter, and it's a bookstore. Look at how pretty that is. And there's a little cat just sitting on the top there. That is so cute. Really, really pretty. I love the lined art of the bookstore. And then on the back is blank, and it is just a nice canvas tote. And I love the size. This is really cute. I am all about like tote bags. Like, honestly, I have so many of them, but I do like to switch them out, you know, as I get them. So this is really, really nice. I really, really like that. All right, so everything that I have shown you so far would be part of the lifestyle subscription box. So if you decided you just wanted to get the lifestyle subscription box option, this would be an example of everything that you would get. Now, in the sneak peeks, I feel like everything was pretty much shown. I don't think I saw the notes. I don't think I saw the notes or like these little clips, or maybe I did see a sneak of that. So you really get to see like pretty much everything that you're getting. And like I said earlier on, I really, really like that. I have 3 more items to share with you, and these are the items that you would receive if you were getting just the monthly cover club. All right, so you get a page finder in every month, and they are always short. They're never like the length, or yeah, they're never the length of whatever planner you're getting. So I like that because you can use this in any planner that you have. So that's awesome. And look at how cute that is. We've got some page from a book back here. A well-read woman is a dangerous creature. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then we've got the decorative dashboard set. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let's get it open. I love that. Look at how beautiful that is with the books open up. We've got this just beautiful like desktop view here, and the beautiful roses. And on the, oh, look at how pretty that is. We've got this beautiful peachy rose. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So her dashboards are double-sided like you saw in the other ones. And this one is set up to be like a bookend because it's made to go underneath the cover, and the cover is this beautiful foil. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's like a bronze foil. It's a book cover, Little Women. I love this, by Louisa May Alcott. So beautiful. And then the back, look at, oh, that's so beautiful. I love this. Have regular hours for work and play. Make each day both useful and pleasant, and prove that you understand the worth of time by employing it well. Then youth will bring few regrets, and life will become a beautiful success. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, let's talk a little bit about how you can like layer things up here, because that's what I love about Jane's Agenda. She has these beautiful covers. They're transparent. She's got it printed on a vellum. They're laminated beautifully. They're very durable. I just love them. They're so well made. And then these dashboards are so nice. They do have like a nice finish to them. So they are very high quality feel to them. And I love that you can like layer things under here. So you have some options. You can like put that one underneath the cover, or this beautiful rose. Oh, that is really pretty. That is stunning. That is so pretty, because just getting that beautiful like rose on the back, and then you'd be able to see that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have some choices here, some hard choices when I put my August planner together. So be sure that you are subscribed, and then that way you will see how I put it all together. I'm so excited to be doing that. All right, so that's one option under the cover. We've got, or actually 2 options with these, but there's also, you could always put like this one underneath, although that would be kind of weird, I think, because this is Little Women and that one's Pride and Prejudice. So, I mean, obviously, you know, you do you, boo, but I don't think that that would be like that wouldn't be something that I would like very much. But again, you could do whatever you choose. This one underneath, you could always like layer extra, but I'm not really liking that because it does have the August on there. And then of course you have the bookshelf. So that is really pretty. Look at how classy that is. That is super, super pretty. That is really a nice option. I really, really like the way that that looks. So we'll see what I end up going with, but that is so pretty. Now, the other thing, of course, that you can do different layering with, I'm gonna move these covers out of the way, is the vellum that you get. So the vellum, I mean, this is like designed like this, but you know, you can do whatever you choose. You can grab, let's see, this one. That's very pretty too. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, I like that. Just something about this one that just makes a really nice like layering behind it. We already looked at that one. Now here's the rose, which is, I don't know, that one's pretty too, but it's like flower on top of flower, so not my favorite option. And then we've got, ooh, this is pretty. That's pretty. So you can see that you definitely have some options here on how you want to layer things up. Okay, so here is everything in the August edition Jane's Agenda Deluxe subscription box. I am so excited about this. It's beautiful. I love the colors in here. They're so like neutral and pretty and romantic, and I am just super excited to set this up. I will be definitely setting this up in a video, you know, coming out soon. And I also have some new things that I'm going to be using when I set up my August planner. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have hit that notification bell. That way you'll be sure to see how this all comes together, and I'm super excited to do it. I am an affiliate of Jane's Agenda, so I do have a affiliate link down below if you are interested in purchasing anything from her. I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. Thank you to those of you that have already used it, and thank you so much for thinking about using it. And if you have any questions regarding the subscription boxes, please drop them down below. I will try to answer them to the best of my ability, and if not, I will reach out to Jane and get an answer for you. Next subscription box for September is still open, and it is her anniversary box. So it's a good one. So make sure you're following her on Instagram, and that way you can see all of the sneak peeks of what is coming for the September box. So if you are not already subscribed and you've been thinking about it, this is the perfect time to jump on in. And I don't know, I would get the deluxe one because yeah, there's some really pretty things in there, and I don't know, I always like to get the anniversary boxes of shops that I know that are having subscriptions because they always put a little bit extra in there for us, and I don't know, that's my personal planner tip for you today. But like I said, if you have any questions, please drop them down below in the comments. All right, well, I hope that you liked this unboxing, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, click that, be sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and remember to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts about everything that I shared here with you today. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.